my body temperature always very, very high. Na parang kailangan malamig yung kwarto or else nag-flare ako. Kasi yung cheeks ko namamata. So, kailangan yung parang, ano ba naman ito? Kailangan apat ata yung blanket.
Yes. At saka papakita na natin kay CA. Ayun po yung aircon na 4 horsepower. Pero marami pa po mga electric fans. Ganun po yung kailangan sa room niya. Kaya talaga pong North Pole.
Correct, yeah. They're called room air circulators.
Room air, no, not electric fans pala. No? Room air circulators. Yeah.
I paid for them. But in the big, parang floor-mounted one, thank you to my friends at Conception Electronics, I think so. Basta, that's Carrier, and that has built-in HEPA filter.
Wow!
Kailangan ko yun. Tapos, mabait sila talaga.
Yes.
Kasi marami akong nabili. Tapos, magaling discount. Then, bulk buy na daw yun.
Yeah.
Tapos yun, yung Ivy, kawawa naman si Ben.
Yes. Opo.
Na ganyan. Kasi nga, he had the stomach flu. It was going around that. Be careful.
Yes.
So, I'm sorry sabihin ko na hindi na ako marunong humawak ng fork. Hindi nga. Kasi yung grip ko na iba na talaga.
Oo. At saka pag halimbawang hindi malamig, ayan medyo nagre-red na yung face ni Miss Chris.
Pero na?
Nang slight lang naman. Nang super content. You don't feel it yet?
Medyo. Dito.
Yes.
Feel pa na. Kasi, off yung aircon. Sabi ko, i-rest naman natin yung aircon.
Yes, opo.
Ang bilis na.
Opo. Kaya importante na malamig. Na super lamig.
Stop muna natin. And then, balikan mo. Kasi dito ko na-feel at dito.
Super konti lang naman. Parang rush lang.
Yun na yun.
Sinugar coat ko pa, no? Yun na yun.
So, every day, it happens to me. What time is it now?
It's 7.
Exactly.
Yes.
Like clockwork.
Yes.
7 o'clock, lumalabas yung butterfly rush.
Oh. Whether it's cold or hot? Oh.
Yun ang welcome to my life. And then, na re-reveal sa'yo na bago. So, I have one more na confirmed na autoimmune. So, that would be my 10th? 10 na ba? Or
10.
10. And then there's one more complication because of the many autoimmunes. So parang 11 na sila.
Ay.
Baka hinahabol ko yung 14 para kagaya ng birthday ko.
Ha? Huwag naman. pero Miss Chris, di ba yung mga lumalabas na mga fake news that you are cancer-free?
Well, I am. Pero na-late sila.
Oo.
Kasi, my last, hindi ko na matandaan kung kailan ako nag-last PET scan. Yung pinakaunang PET scan was probably late September. Kaulang. Yun, we had a cancer scare talaga. Pero, nung na sila, colonoscopy, endoscopy, I was fine. Etong bagong ginawa, ito lang, so, yung bago mag-Mother's Day.
May, apa.
Mother's Day?
Oh, sorry. Mother's Day. Second week of May.
No, May 12 ang elections So, May 11. Oh, see? So, anyway, meron naman nakita dun time niya na fluid in my lungs. Pero konti lang naman daw, pero still, paano ka magkaka-fluid? Na-clear ako for pneumonia. Basta lahat ng test nagawa. So, they're wondering why. Sabi ko, that's life. Parang OA na. Sa dami naman ng autoimmune. Kung magkaka-cancer pa ako, parang sasabihin naman nila na talagang kinuha na niya lahat. Diba?
Kota na.
Oo. Kasi even my heart is in good shape.
Yes.
Lungs ko may problema talaga. I've always been honest with that. So, kung magkaka-cancer, wait na lang kayo. Kasi I'm very honest. If it's gonna happen, it will happen. But not yet. I wanna thank the people who have gone through the trouble of visiting me where I am right now. Kasi, until now, hindi nyo alam kung nasan ako. Thank you.
Yes.
And to the family na allowed me to stay in their property, tumulong talaga sa paghinga. Yung nag-clear ito, tapos I've been breathing very well. Kaya lang, ang latest problem ko is that my blood pressure is now very low from being very high. And yun yung part of yung bagong na diagnose sa akin. Kinuha ko na lahat. Pero, I'm at peace because feeling ko naman binibigay sa akin lahat ito to test my faith. Matibay ang pananampalataya ko. Yun!
Yes!
Yung siguro parang it's God seeing na kung kaya mo pa ba, magtitiwala ka pa. Kasi diba, even Jesus was tested with the 40 days na nag-fast siya, tapos the devil was there, diba? So, siguro itong mga sakat na to, the work of the devil, seeing na bibigay ba itong babaeng to? Sorry, hindi ako bibigay. Pag bibigay na ako, that means deathbed na yun. Dahil kinuha na ako ni God. And I'm fine. Yeah, Bim is 18, Kuya's happy. Basta they're happy, but of course, I'm not ready. I don't think anybody will ever say they're ready to die. Diba? Especially kung bata pa yung mga anak. Maraming salamat for everybody na nagdadasal ka rin sa akin. Hindi ko kayo bibigoin because bago ko mag-complete isolation dahil magiging 3 na yung immunosuppressants ko, you're gonna get to watch us. Mag-iipon talaga ng episodes. But, conservative.
Yes.
Please, kasi ang sakit nila talaga.
Yes po.
So, pero tapos, maraming lakad.
Yes.
This is Locoa, yun yung patch. And then, ay hindi, nag-invento. It's not. Sorry. This is yung patch na galing sa stage, which really helps. And then, below it, may lidocaine. Pero wala na siyang lidocaine and Elica. Para lang mag-numb. Kasi ang sakit talaga. Pag ganyan na umuulan, ngayon likod ko na yung masakit.
Tsaka di ba sabi mo, pag may something painful sa'yo, you cannot take painkillers or steroids. Yeah.
So yung mga lang is yung mga topical lang. Pero malay natin, baka through all our prayers, kayanin ko nang mag-paracetamol.
Amen.
Thank you very much.
We love you,
Be safe and be good,
I love you.
Mo. I love you too.
I love